Hey guys, we received this custom cowboy hat for test and try. So for the toddler boy or any kids and adults. So this is the hat. Comes in a really nice pack, very like quality pack, so that it will all save the size and you can see like the quality is very nice and smooth with a really nice thing. And now there's a belt that is customized. Means like you can put your name or someone names on the top of this belt. So how this is now customized, so I will show you. Let me just put it the belt first. So I'm having this large size and you can see like the custom typed name on it. So that's how it looks on the top and then you can wear it. So the cap itself is very premium and then this belt is all customized that you can put in your customized name. So the fitting wise, it's good and looks nice as well.